How to book a trip online in trip.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can book your own trip on trip.com. So let's get into it. So first things first, you need to sign up, and before you sign up, I just want to say that if you don't have an account or you haven't signed up, click on the link in the description below, as that will give you more benefits, more discount codes, some other offers as well. So be sure to sign up using the link in the description below. So let's get into it. Now, once you've signed up, this is how the website is going to look like, and you'll have a couple of options. If you want to go ahead and book a flight, you can switch to flight. Hotels and homes are going to be over here. By train, cars, other options are going to be available over here. Even on the left hand side, you can find other options as well. Since we are booking a flight, we're going to select flight. And here you can select either a round trip, a one-way trip, multi-city, or a non-stop flight, and you can select the location. So here you can either go with whatever you want. So let's assume that we're flying from London to Shanghai, and if you search for London, you can have multiple different airports. So for example, if I search for London over here, I type in London, you'll see you have a bunch of different options. All of the airports that are available in London are going to be available over here. So you got London City Airport, London Stansted Airport, Gatwick Airport, Heathrow, Luton, Southend Airport as well. So you can go with whatever you want. I'm going to select Heathrow, and same with Shanghai as well. If you go ahead and search for Shanghai, and here you'll have a couple of options. So you've got Shanghai, I'm not even going to pronounce that. So you got PVG and SHA. So both of these are international airports. You can select whichever airport you want. And once that's done, you can then go ahead and select your departure date, right? You want to select which date you're, departing from. And here you can go ahead and select. So these greens ones are going to have special dates. These are discounted dates. So on these dates, it's going to be a bit cheaper. So you can see right here, currently it's $341. Then as the days goes on, it's a little bit cheaper. So you can see $320, $338. So let's assume that we want on the September 18th. Then we can go ahead and click on search, or we can even select flight and hotel. It will also give us a bunch of different hotel options as well if we want to stay there. But then we just simply hit the search button over here. And here we go. So here you can see you have all these flights. So these are non-stop flights. If you want a non-stop flight directly, no stops, then you can go with that one. If you want a bit cheaper one, there are some cheaper options over here, and these are the recommended ones. They're gonna sort them by various different factors, either duration and price, and give you like the best deal. So you can see right here, these are the non-stop flights, the top two, and then bottom two, these are like, they do have a stop. So here you can see 8 hours and 45 minutes in Beijing. So they're gonna stop over there, transfer in Beijing. And here, if you go with this one, this is a 3-hour stop over here in Bahrain. And then you have these ones. These are like the non-stop ones, and you can see which airlines they're using and what they are. So they have the carry-on baggage included. So, you can then go ahead and select whichever flight you want, and you can select the economy class or whichever class you want. They're both pretty similar, but yeah, then you just simply click on continue, and then it's going to take you over here to the pricing plan, or the checkout page, where you can actually go ahead and buy it. Here you'll need to input your passenger information, like your passport, your nationality, IDs, ID card, and ID type. And then here you can see you have ticket, adults, children. If you want to go ahead and add them, you can go ahead and add them. I think they just sold out, so that's why we have to go ahead and select the other one. So yeah, after all, there were like 3 left at the end, but yeah, they're sold out. So we're gonna select again. But yeah, pretty similar. Just select the economy class, whichever class you want, and then click on next. You can see all the amenities that they have, and here you have the contact details, promo codes. As I said before, if you want promo codes, click the link in the description below, and you'll get pretty cool promo codes with discount codes. So yeah, so there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can book a flight online on trip.com. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.